Let me see. Do I need... I don't know if I need light. Let me see. Here's our little patient.
Go to Carnivorous today to find great deals from top-rated dealers near you.
Anyway, you can see how his little right wing hangs down a little. God bless him.
As a parent, you're
He got cut and burned, and it goes underneath his shoulder and down his side. Now, the outside is healed very well, but the inside is still very, very sensitive and bruised. And I can tell because he's preening himself. Where'd he go? And he's sort of raising it, but he doesn't raise his right wing. He did before I brought him in. I saw him. He'd shuffle across the parking lot because it was time to eat. And he'd raise his wings to get up into there with everybody, and that's when the burn was fresh. Now he's healing so well. Isn't he cute? Oh, he's so cute. She was just preening. I call her Hope. Or him. Anyway.
Ooh, it's here.
So pretty.
Y'all can just drop
Roger
it.
wanted to officially hand the baton
Right here.
to you and the Buffton Project.
Oh, this
And
is
the
the
kitty
baton.
is on the other side of that door.
Roger, thank you for the help, dude. Appreciate it.
And I came back from work today. I left and they had the pigeon control truck there for the second time since I moved in. As I was driving out, and I was so upset. I almost started crying. I kind of did. Then I come back, the pigeons were all there, the water was still there, they didn't throw it away. I was so happy. And so, anyway, everybody, here's Hope. Hope needs your prayers. Really, the outside of his skin is healed so well, you wouldn't know he was burned. And I think he's got a little bit of nerve damage, but it's only been a week. Give him another, month, I don't care. Got me a little bird. And his name's Hope. God bless everybody. Have a good day.
Just center that.
Thanks for checking in, and I'll get back to you soon. I'm going to get on my site too, and I'm going to work on it and start putting things together so it makes sense. I'm afraid right now there's so much stuff you guys don't even understand what's going on. And so, anyway, God bless everybody.
Okay, Chip, can you
We'll
help
see you
them
soon.
Sure.
hang this
Bye.
up?